this right here is the Keychron K3 mechanical keyboard. It's low profile, and the model I've got here is optical reds with RGB. And this keyboard is also hot swap, so we can take out the switch and put them back in. They only work with Keychron optical switches, however, so that's a bit of a flaw. It's got a main plastic and aluminium construction. We've got a Type-C port and an LED right next to it. Here are some switches for Bluetooth, cable, Windows, Mac, all that good stuff. One of the complaints I do have though with this is that the backlight is not that strong on battery. Here's the battery, and that's the cable, and they're both on full brightness. And here's the battery again, and here are both of them. The stems aren't also the same, as in they're not the same as the regular profiles as you can see here. And now here's a typing test, I guess.